Here I have Huawei Honor Play, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and touch power off again just to complete the operation. Then let's use together the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys until the EMUI recovery mode pops up, so let's keep holding both keys. Now you can release both keys. As you can see, the EMUI recovery mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down and choose Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power key to choose it. You need to type in yes to complete the operation and tap Wipe Data Factory Reset by using volume keys and power key. Here we've got the information about Google verification, so after the hard reset you will be asked to log into a Google account that you enter to your device, so you have to be aware of this. Let's scroll down to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset to accomplish the hard reset, and the phone is performing the hard reset, so let's wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Alright, as you can see, the EMUI recovery mode pops up again, so let's choose here reboot system now and press power key to confirm it. Wait until the device will show you the welcome panel. Alright, the welcome panel just pops up, and as you may notice, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate and use your device. If that video was helpful, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.